So guys, I don't know what happened. This motor is just like a loose fan, but it's not loose. I just confused. It looks like that. But do you see the logo? This is just the copy of Usha ceiling fan. This is just the copy of it, and the fan color is ice blue. I am so upset by this thing. This thing is like a beast, but the motor is like a little wobbly. Wait, I will show you. Wait, I will show you. I am gonna be switching it on now, and you can see that now. It's gonna be a little bit dancing in the motor. You can't see it. Right now it's dancing. You see that dance in the fan? It's a little bit dancing. It's not even dancing, but I can see, but you can't see because I'm recording a video and you can't see everything. You can only see some things. Wait, my hand itches. Yeah, now look at, and look at that. It's a little bit dancing. I can just reach the ceiling by jumping and I can touch it because it's a rare ceiling fan. And I also have another luminous fan copying Havel's Nicola. This is a wrong thing. This thing is like something. And the color is ice blue 1200 mm, and I'm just turning it off. Look how it turns off. In full speed, it giving a tuck 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 noise in full speed. Wait, I will show you. It also gave a loud noise. I was just scared by the noise because now going on full speed. It's a little slow too. It is so looking like very dangerous fan. Now it's very fast. It also giving a little tick tick noise. Do you hear that noise? It gave a little noise. Just had a little bit bearing problem. You see that now? It's the motor is a little dancing. Do you see that? It's a little dancing. Look at the fan logo. So just you see that. You see that now? It's giving a little tick tick noise. I am recording a video. By the air flow, you can't hear the noise. You can meet me and you can see how it is noisy. You heard that noise now? It's just giving a little noise. Now I will turn it off. Wait. So guys, now bye bye.